Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Jet, Justin's older brother. Just want to say thank you for trusting me with the mic tonight and for choosing me to be your best man. Well, actually, wala na din naman ibang choice. It's just between me and you. I would like to acknowledge your parents and our family, Reggie's mother and her family, good evening po. And of course, the guests in attendance tonight. So Justin and I were 6 years apart. Growing up, he has always been the most quiet sibling among the four of us. The most picky also sa food. So, example, kakain po kami sa Via Mare. Kakain kami lahat ng dinuguan at oysters. Siya, salpikaw. Or chicken breast lang po. Kahit sa restaurant actually, puro salpikaw lang yan. Either chicken salpikaw na ulam, salpikaw sisig, or salpikaw sandwich. Basta salpikaw. Or chicken breast, or kahit anong protein. Yun lang po ang kinakain niya. So, Reg, alam mo na. Hard-boiled egg, salpikaw, or chicken breast lang yan. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip ng ulam niyo. But on a serious note po, he's a man of a few words, but a loving brother and king to my kids. A hardworking corporate trainer, which by the way, was Employee of the Year last 2022. Was it 2022 or 2021? 2022. Okay. And of course, a loyal partner to Reg. Ang routine lang po ng kapatid ko ay mag-gym, work, mag-laundry, kain ng salpikaw or chicken breast, magkape sa Mary Grace, then punta ng Bataan mga once or twice a month. Ganyan lang po ang buhay niya. And isa pa pala, one thing that I've significantly noticed about my brother, being with Reg, was his developing love and fun of cats. I remember before, when we were kids, magkatandem pa kami niyan, hahabulin namin yung mga pusa and babatuhin. Ganun kami kagalit sa pusa niya. Pero ngayon, para na siyang tatay ng mga pusa sa village namin. He is like able to communicate with cats for some reason. You should see our house. Tinatawag na ng mga pusa yan para pakainin sila. Galit na galit yung nanay namin kasi puro pusa sa garahe. So to conclude, Justin and Reg, I want to end by saying how incredibly happy I am for both of you. Congratulations also for working together and for arranging this beautiful wedding despite your busy schedules. May request lang ako na sana magkaroon na kagad ng playmates si Marcus and Mariana. Hindi yung teenager na sila pag nagka-baby. So I wish you a lifetime filled with love, understanding, and endless adventures, not just with your cats, but also with the future kids. And if I may share something also, for being married for 10 years. How about 10 years? Time flies when you're having fun. So remember that you can't be in love with each other every day. There will be times when you feel it's stagnant and as if everything is in autopilot. It's a choice every day, more than an emotion, and it's definitely no walk in the park. But whenever you feel and think this way, always remember this day and the times where your partner has been there for you when you were at your lowest, and the times when he or she was your biggest cheerleader when you were at your highest. Because when you think of this, you put everything in the right perspective, and it will lead you back to your constants and who matters to you, and only to you at the end of your day. And now, if everyone could please raise your glasses to love, laughter, and the happily ever after, just in time for it. Everyone.